Alright, food lovers, get ready, because today I'm taking you on a mouth-watering journey through Japanese cuisine. Whether you're a sushi fanatic or just curious about ramen, this guide is going to break down the essentials, step by step. Let's kick things off with what makes Japanese food so unique: balance. Every meal is like a little work of art. You've got color, texture, flavor, and even the way it's plated matters. So if you're trying Japanese food for the first time, keep an open mind and don't be afraid to try something that looks unfamiliar. First up, sushi, probably the world's most famous Japanese dish. It's not just raw fish, there are tons of varieties. Nigiri, sashimi, maki rolls, all with their own style. If you're at a sushi bar, remember, it's okay to use your hands and definitely dip the fish side in soy sauce, not the rice. Next, ramen. Forget those instant noodle packets. Real ramen is a world of its own. You've got different broths: shoyu, soy sauce, miso, shio, salt, and tonkotsu, which is this rich, creamy pork bone soup. Slurping your noodles is totally cool here. It's actually a compliment to the chef. Now let's talk about tempura. Lightly battered and fried veggies or shrimp. The key? That crisp, airy coating. You'll usually dip it in a light soy-based sauce, and trust me, you'll want to eat it while it's hot. Don't forget about donburi, which is basically a rice bowl topped with all kinds of goodness. There's katsudon with crispy pork cutlet, or oyakodon with chicken and egg. Super comforting, super filling. Japanese cuisine isn't just about what's on the plate. It's about seasonality, using ingredients at their freshest. That's why you'll see menus change with the seasons and why everything tastes so vibrant. If you're looking to dive deeper, check out izakaya. These are Japanese pubs where you can try all kinds of small plates, from grilled skewers to pickled veggies. It's casual, it's fun, and it's the best way to sample a bit of everything. And here's a quick tip. When you're eating with chopsticks, never stick them upright in your rice. It's considered bad luck. Lay them across your bowl instead. So whether you're exploring Japanese cuisine at home or planning a food trip to Tokyo, remember, it's all about fresh flavors, beautiful presentation, and enjoying food with friends. Hungry yet? Because I know I am. Thanks for joining me on this Japanese food adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what dish you want to try first.